Video after the storm. Cleaned up the driveway. It's the next morning. But like, it is super cold outside, so it kept on snowing a little bit. Fell another 2 inches. But yeah, pretty damn crazy. Freaking cold outside. Take a little drive around my city. But yeah, it fell like, I calculated it fell like about a foot and a half, foot in 3-4 inches. But fuck, for the first snowstorm compared to the other snows there, it fell about 2-3 inches. Now it's been it fell a foot and a half. It's fucking crazy. But it's so beautiful when it snows like this. Look at the world, it looks so clean, all the cars, you know, they're all full of mud and shit. Going to trails and all that, exactly the same thing, not full of mud and shit. Laying down in the mud when you get stuck, it's a little bit better laying down in the snow. Yeah, I hate laying down in the mud. But yeah, anyway, pretty much it. Do your little snow drift on 4x4. Woohoo! Moves, yeah, 4x4, I love it. Moves quite quick in the snow. There's not any other car. You can have a Honda Civic fucking modified like crazy as much as you want with 2 turbos. But I won't even put on the gas and fucking just floor you. Just, I'll just lose them. 4x4. Catch you on the next video.